This is the Müller family. They want to fly to Barcelona. Their flight has been cancelled. What now? When traveling by air, problems can occur. Flights may be cancelled, delayed, or a connecting flight is missed. It is also possible that you may be denied boarding due to overbooking, for example. Or you may not be able to travel in the class that you booked. But be aware, in such cases, those affected have certain rights, as stipulated in the Air Passenger Rights Regulation. Sylvia Müller knows that her first point of contact is the airline which would have operated the flight. They are the ones who have to inform the passengers about their rights and offer them a replacement flight as soon as possible. If passengers decide that they no longer want to fly after a flight was cancelled by an airline, the full airfare will be refunded. Depending on the reason of the flight cancellation, passengers could be entitled to an additional compensation of between 250 and 600 euros. Thomas and Sylvia decide to take the replacement flight the next day. The costs for the hotel and meals during the waiting time, as well as the transport costs to and from the hotel, are usually covered by the airline. However, nothing was offered to the Müller family. That is why Thomas Müller starts looking for an affordable hotel. It is important to keep all the receipts. The copies may later be sent to the airline to request a refund for the costs. The following morning, the Müller family finally flies off on their holiday. After the holidays, Thomas contacts the airline to request a refund for the costs. He also asks for additional compensation, unfortunately without success. This is why he contacts the Federal Office of Civil Aviation. It is imperative to always contact the airline first. If an agreement cannot be reached or no reply is received within 6 weeks, the Federal Office of Civil Aviation, the enforcement body for air passenger rights in Switzerland, may be contacted. For this purpose, there is an online form on our website. There is no charge for passengers. The Federal Office of Civil Aviation has investigated the matter, and the airline pays the Müller family what they are entitled to, according to the Air Passenger Rights Regulation. The Müller family is already looking forward to the next holiday. The Federal Office of Civil Aviation is the enforcement body for air passenger rights in Switzerland. We examine and enforce your rights. We are here for you.